What if you could know the direction of the entire day just by watching one thing during the Asian session? No indicators, no guessing, just one confirmation that tells you exactly where price is going for the rest of the day before London even opens. I'm gonna show you how to identify it, how to use it, and how to enter a trade with full confidence, knowing the daily direction is already decided. Stick around because the one thing I'm looking for is revealed halfway through. And once you see it, you will never read the Asian session the same way again. Free 100 read backtest journal is in the description. Grab it and follow along. So with one look to Asian session purple box, you can see instantly and identify the intent of the price. In the middle of Asian session, you can spot this wick over here swept yesterday's high. If this is not obvious, you can always go to daily and see it clearly. This wick over here happened during precisely in the middle of Asia session. Now we know that price will go lower. Where that is the question. What you can do, go to daily candle and mark where the price will eventually go. There's possibility that price will go to the middle of this candle or go all the way to take out this low. It is as simple as that. So how now can you utilize this move exactly? Just follow along and you will never get trapped with fake moves anymore. I will show you exactly what you need to trade this to the downside. We will go to 5 minutes to look for build ups and change of characters, order block, and etc. This is our first build up. What I am looking for is something like this. Price suddenly push up, then gives us a change of character to go down. Let's see what happens. Instead, price fails to push us up. So we can actually trade the opposite until this high is taken. Because this build up is liquidity, price usually does this. First takes out the low, then takes out the high, and vice versa. Now we can go to 1 minute to look for a change of character. You have to take notes of this. Price went down, went up, and again down, then broke structure again. So this is our break of structure, and this is our point of interest. Stop loss always 2 bips and take profit just this high. It only offers around 2 hours. Give it a little bit. Let's start at this high. This is an equal high as you can see. Now we have a little bit more profit and just run it, and after take profit is hit, now we know that price will go lower. Price took liquidity to the downside, then took liquidity to the upside. Now we are expecting price to go lower. Let's look for a change of character to the low. This is our first change of character. Take the whole zone. Actually, the whole zone is like this. 2 bips stop loss, same thing. Let's mark yesterday low. This is our target. It seems price will not come back, so let's look for another trade. This one seems decent. We need a break of structure here. Now we have a break structure. No imbalances. This is all liquidity for this point of interest, probably. So let's set limit order and see what happens. Stop loss, same thing, 2 pips. And the target would be this low. This is the yesterday low. Let's see what happens. Trade is triggered. London opened, wait for a confirmation. It seems that price will come back over here to mitigate this point of interest. We have liquidity for the point of interest too. Let's enter this one too. Same thing, 2 bip stop loss. But this time, let's just target around 5R. We want to secure some profit in case price decides to go higher, just to take out liquidity, then goes lower. The problem, we know price will never take out the Asian high, but the problem would be when, for example, London opens or New York opens, price goes up, takes out liquidity, then it goes down. That's how price stops you out. So now open, let's see if price will stop us out or not. We have another entry possibility, but as you can see, price is built-in liquidity. If we start from here till here, lots of liquidity. At last, take profit hit. We have liquidity, as you can see. Let's wait for NY open. What we are expecting is price takes out liquidity to go lower. The direction is still the same. And this trade, we will keep it like this, no break even. Just let it run. NY open soon. Let's see what happens. Still not open. Now NY is open. Let's go to 1 minute and see what's going on over here. We had here an impulsive move, takes out liquidity. Now we want to see 1 minute break structure. Maybe this one. Since we know that price will keep going down, it is easy to get an increase. So we will do the same thing, set limit order and stop loss 2 bips and take profit. This time, since we are in NY open after the inducement already happened, now we can confidently hold this trade too. So let's see what happens. Price comes back and mitigates us. Still in. We have another break of structure and another point of interest. Still, we can't break even. We are almost 3R. If you are confident, you can set the third trade. Same thing, 2 bips and target the yesterday low. And let's see what happens on 5 minutes. I'm telling you, once you understand where is the direction and avoid these traps, as you can see, price created liquidity, induced up, then kept going down, as you can see, still creating another liquidity, but there's no timing. This happened because Frankfurt open. London did not take any liquidity, no inducement. And actually, 725 is still part of London. So London took liquidity around here. And New York open will take liquidity from yesterday's low. Then maybe fly up and take profit hit for all trades, as you can see. Now you know how to utilize this one, and I will give you one more nugget. This one also tells you another story, so focus with me so I can show you. Let me delete this one. If you look over here, this Asian session never took a low, no sweep or liquidity of low, but price kept going up, maybe testing the middle of Asian range, but never came back down to take out Asian low. It only took Asian high and kept going up. So why did this happen? Simply, let me show you the other reason that this could happen. If you see here, we have an impulsive leg, impulsive move, breaking a structure over here, leaving behind an imbalance and order block. And this order block is mitigated exactly around here. This is the whole zone, as you can see. This is why price never came back down. After mitigating the order block, price flew up, as you can see, created some liquidity, come down, took sweep this low and kept going up. And the last thing I want to share with you, after taking out liquidity from Asian low, now price will go higher. Why is that? Because we also took yesterday slow. Now price has no reason to keep going down. And one more thing, there's a little imbalance over here. I think actually the whole zone is like this. This is all connected. Anyways, price came back down, took out yesterday's low, took out all of this liquidity, as you can see. Now it has no reason but to go higher, to take out Asian high now. It could take another day. This one is probably invalidated because there is a weak, but this high is still the leg that caused the push, as you can see. Anyways, focus with me over here. Price has no reason now to keep going down. It will create another Asian session liquidity. And let me pause it for you for a sec. You see this price, London opened, price instantly took out Asian low, and price is going up, taking out also Asian high, and price will now take out this high, and it will not stop until it takes out. This is how build-up of liquidity works. And inducements, this one is a news, we all know it is a news candle, but still the theory is the same. Impulsive candles or Maraboso candles or Victor candles that are consecutive or long like this, it is called an inducement. That is how one confirmation during the Asian session tells you the story for the whole day. If you want to learn how to apply this inside the full lead system with me directly, DM me the word lead, and if you are not ready yet, grab the free journal below. See you in the next video.